Welcome guys, and we're back with the next one. But actually, as you can see, we're all dressed up for bed. So for today's video, guys, we have a banger challenge for you guys today. So the last person to fall asleep, which like already ready for go for your bed, as a matter of fact, wins $20,000. So both are thinking 10 each. So
20 grand.
I guess he's not ready for them big money there. You know, $20,000. I guess neither the loser will get or will come together and put 10 together and get the 20. But either way, one way, I gotta be the winner of $20,000. So guys, let's see who can stay up the longest. The last person to sleep wins the prize money. What are we love sleep? So
me not gonna mind it, no. Me gonna play some games.
I'm gonna eat some ice cream or something.
Ice cream?
You like it none. So the time is 9:43. This is where we begin. Let's see what time we end. Boy, I'm surprised if this end only an hour after. But let's see.
First I'm gonna go out in bed because it's certain enough.
Let's see. Who first goes to the bed? Who first go bed loses. Last to bed, $20,000 winner. Let's go.
Yes, people, so stay tuned for that.
I want ice cream.
Go on get ice cream. And you may prepare your blanket for you, yeah?
Move on. Sabotage. Sabotage.
People anytime they say Shadeka draft with this, I sleep, she want sleep. So we just have to prepare it for her. I fold it up neat and put. Come sleep here, Shadeka. Alright people, so Shadeka go get ice cream.
I got my cream.
I don't know kind of ice cream she got. So Jesus. And when you're done, you see me alone do them stuff.
Yeah, the poop master.
Come on.
If I blast people away.
Anyways, like, so Shadeka, me not get none.
You want to play some games?
What kind of game?
I have some board games. Huh?
Yeah.
I'm going to call them chess map checkers.
Yeah, man, forward, no?
Loading.
So Shadeka, me not getting an ice cream.
Never asked.
May I have some of the ice cream?
No, you bring that one.
I can't get some. Give me some of my ice cream, no sister. Shadi. People who see what me have to go to, she don't want to give me none of the ice cream. I don't know what I did to this girl. Shadeka, I want some of the ice cream. Give me some of the ice cream. Shadeka, I want some ice cream. Shadeka, oh. No, sir, Shadeka, the empty spoon you give me.
Ice cream to the pan is going to save.
People, there was nothing on it. See, ice cream at home. Shadeka, come give me empty spoon.
I love to say it was a spoon.
Yeah, you can say it was a spoon. Anyways, guys, we check back in when we are playing the board games. If Shadeka can't find them, you can find them?
Yeah, them in our closet.
She said they're in the closet. We will see.
I'll be eating banana away, so I won't be going to sleep for now. You gonna loosen.
I'm not losing. I am a trooper.
You're gonna be $20,000 broke when you're done with this night.
People, I will be there at the end of the video when Shadeka Ladanga draw the bongi them. Are you that at the end of the night? I practice my acceptance speech. Well, Shadeka, thank you very much for this $10,000 added to my $10,000 to make this $20,000. This prize money will go straight into my bank account. Shadeka, I thank you. Round of applause, round of applause. What you got to say?
You're gonna lose.
No, sir, Shadeka, by the time they end
Don't do it. Don't do it.
this night,
Don't do it.
by the time you don't need up them sweet there. Box cover. A spans, may I try spans and I can't. Alright, people, so we measure our hands. So tomorrow we measure again and tell me how much pound she put on. And then weigh one of your foot. No, sir.
I took you took me out, you know.
Heavy.
So, ouch.
People, when we witness first and the abuse, Shadeka abuse when you hear the chest puff a while ago. Like a Congo drum. Like it's a Congo drum she beating. Watch her eat the bag, watch her. Stop eating the bag, Shadeka.
Things in there.
Things in there. Nasty. You want gamble?
No, we don't like gamble now.
Come
You
on,
want to
please.
lose more money?
Me we put $500, you put $500, and we gamble on $50 till now, one no left.
Oh man.
Deal?
No man, because you look like you're trying to book yourself.
Deal no? Come on, make you gamble at $5.
Come out and eat ice cream.
And then people looking at my eye. Do I look sleepy to you? Look for Shadeka. I eat ice cream. But the big old tower so much she wants to then I eat. People this frighten me.
Besides, the camera never on.
You see that blow pass. Any people if you don't look and see something blow pass, I don't know sure I now go move. So actually can we get to a laugh after me? Watch her. Oh, dog, yeah, ice cream and I give me none, but it's alright. You see these people? I don't know, well, the lighting kind of bad now, but this is our latest video. How is Shadeka gone? Not too bad, we never noticed now. Anyways, watch it people, it is nice.
Jesus is Lord.
4 eyes.
Nice, sweet son.
You don't feel the yarn?
Why? You can't work from bed?
Waste me yarn.
Oh! Yeah, try to make me yard.
Yes.
You can't say, oh, when you fake it, not real, you know. You know your realness, Orain. You can't fake things with me. Your son.
We not pay no mind, Shadeka.
Don't pay me no mind. Let's go drift right off. Don't pay me no mind. Let's drift right
Never.
off.
So them not turning me into a vampire? You sure?
No.
Why?
Let me wonder. I don't think he's a vampire. I heard this one in turn a vampire.
You get a goat, Marty. Yes, no. Shadeka, leave me. Why you still
Suck in the yard then. What about the bugs? Okay.
This Shadeka take it out and plug it in at the ring light for the ring light get power.
I'm not looking for Orain, you know, because they know that he give himself and crawl like my eye.
You can use the one that the yellow charger one.
Not a fast charger.
Yeah, fast charger.
It's the real time celebrating. I don't want to kill you. She don't want to kill you.
I'll give garlic.
Me want to.
Who was that you?
I don't know other
Dirty man.
Exactly. And don't embarrass say Kuba and you're going to build my man. That's no better.
You see how she get comfortable, people?
The food them still out.
You know matter, you know, people. You don't know what time it is when she draw the blanket and spread out up on the couch, you know. She gone, you know. It's almost time. What time we start there? 9 what?
It's 43.
9:43 we start. I know it's 10:03 and y'all get comfortable. Wow. Wow. I'll be what? 10 dog up on my 10, so I'll be 10 richer. Me don't be 10 richer.
Oh, you? No, I'm sleeping. I said, boy, I watch one put the money away and I get it.
Me not watch look for her, people. Me not pay her no man. Cause she know she go sleep. She know she go sleep. Proper go sleep. So.
I'm not sleep, people. I'm just psychic mom. I can get comfortable for him can go sleep. You can be say me asleep. And then all just bury him and say, I wasn't sleeping. Gotcha.
And that's your plan. Go sleep and then when me go sleep, you wake up and boy, you never sleep. Gotcha. That will never happen. You will never live to see that. Go and wait for that.
I'm living for the dream that we share. Singing in the late now, I don't have a care. It's the real time of celebrating. Cause you're my singer. It is in your but I mean, you know, but I
Never see to try and hide.
Ho, 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 ho. Hear the board them a shift. No, sir.
Come on, you just love it. Embarrassment.
Oh, embarrassment. You like embarrassed too.
Jumbo. Shadeka, why you pinching my neck back with your toes? The foot them clean?
Go to sleep.
I was never trying for lullabies, you know. When people sing to me, just want them continue to sing. I read the Mario.
You know what I'm going to sleep in this door.
I'll let you go sleep.
Oh, it's not about you.
Don't touch me, you know. Do not touch me.
I'm ready for you.
Do
You're
not
boy.
touch my head.
I'm ready for you, boy, so don't bother with it.
Let's stay far from it.
You can't stay far, but you know the camera view, so you can't stay far.
So people, how you do? You know alright? God bless you today? You reading the Bible today? Talk it out. You read the Bible today?
Do you read yours?
No, I know. I did read it this morning to tell the honest truth.
Yes, I read this one, I put like that all the book opinion then I forward.
Blah.
Boy! Boy! Yeah!
That one that he really just need
Yeah!
as me attack.
Like it! Round 1, yes, round 1 defeated. I have round 2, but so ready. No, round 2.
You're so ready if you want to lay down, you lay down.
No man, be good. I have this me with strong eyes open. Yeah. Because, no, there are some. Want sabotage. Watching what you use that dirty broad. You. Sure. No, expose my body to the people there. But you might bring the fight for me. Well ready, you know. It now work. It now happen. It now happen. You fight it, no. don't like you. Go sit down. Oh, let me do your scalp.
Oh yes, come. Show them my brother. Aloe vera.
I blend this up myself.
No, but I wet it up. Just wet the and rub it in a day.
Brother, don't tell me
This
nothing.
something you don't want it run down from me.
That's how you get it.
Oh,
You nice?
yeah, the cowl. Ooh.
Oh.
Whoa.
That's how you keep it.
If I run down from me.
Oh, sorry. That one is.
Alright, thank you. Oh, yeah.
You ever have an old man stand? So you have a prefer to go a tripod?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's why I come with one of this. And this. One of this I fit in. The one where you lift up come with it. Yeah, this come with this. And one come with this.
So we got a full on tripod.
Yeah, this come with this.
A few moments later.
Jesus is Lord! Yes, people, as you can see, Shadeka lose.
Which part?
Shadeka has lost,
Which part?
as you can see.
Which part? Go sleep?
So where did I know?
Where did I sleep?
Which part did it? Where you go a while ago? You're not even know so we get up.
Move, man.
People have evidence.
I'm not going to sleep. I'm still awake.
But have evidence, people. She's a proper knockout on the chair. Look how high them rain.
Knockout which part? Are you?
Those.
Your teeth.
Oh, my teeth.
Where the camera come? Where the camera come?
Oh, my teeth, Shadeka. Oh, my teeth.
I lose my gun with my time to join the towels.
If you drop asleep one more time, you're fully lose. I give you one more chance. Me catch you 2 times, me catch up on that, and me catch up on this, but me did make sure, me have to make sure so a little talking in the video, so me get up and come for this. Catch you, red-handed.
I'm not asleep.
As the great razor blade would say, pew pew.
Move on.
Alright. What is it? You go back to sleep or you want another chance? Alright, so you want another chance? Oh, you're not admit defeat. I must catch you again, you know. Shadeka, wake up, man. You lose, you know. You lose more than one time. Shadeka, you lost. Oh my, you want to sleep. May I put you out of your misery?